Good morning, America. Got my coffee. We're doing a Thanksgiving haul. I see all these women on there doing these Christmas haul vlogs, and they done went shopping at Target and Walmart, whatever. Caught a sale. I ain't caught no sale. But I'm gonna show y'all my Thanksgiving haul for some of the stuff that's gonna get cooked. So, check it out. Let me start y'all off. You got to have your mise en place, your onions, your garlic, celery, all that. Even got some of that fake butter, that margarine. Come on over here, we got some clam juice. Let me get this out of the way. You got that cream of onion, cream of chicken, cream of celery, cream of chicken again. This is gonna be for a seafood dressing. Got some crab for that dressing, got some crawfish tails, got some shrimp with the head on. We're gonna be making that fresh stock. Got some of these blue crabs also. Got that cornmeal for that dressing. Little chicken stock. Got that Jiffy. If you old school, you throw some of that herb seasoning, classic stuff in there. And then out here, I got some shrimp bouillon to intensify that seafood flavor. Got a little chicken bouillon. Then, we got some seasonings, got a little bay leaf seasoning, salt, a little celery seed. If you ain't never had this Caribbean chicken seasoning, fire. Got that slap your mama, got some thyme, got some of them injectables, Got some minced garlic, got that Worcestershire. Got some of that grilling salt from Goya. You go to your little Asian or Latin farmers markets, you'll find that. Got that black pepper, because we're gonna be throwing it on that brisket. Then we got that big boy, one of them, turkey, big boy. And so this right now is my Thanksgiving haul so far. Walmart, y'all gouging for these, man. You used to be able to get these for like $12. They didn't gone crazy on these now. Well, so far that's all I got, y'all. So comment down in the comments. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all got for your Thanksgiving haul, man. So just a short little video to show y'all what I got going on. Once I start the cooking, I'm gonna do another little video on that. Smoked turkey, black pepper brisket, seafood dressing, and all the works. So as always, thank y'all for joining me here at the Rolling Grill. I'm still trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Hopefully y'all could help me out. And let me show y'all something real quick. Show y'all the best way to make y'all stock, your seafood stock. You see these right here? These shrimp with the head on. Don't go buying that seafood stock already in the box. That stuff got fish in it, so it's gonna mess up your seafood dressing. You want the shells with the head. You can make a nice stock with this, so just a little game. And yes, I'm gonna intensify the flavor with these shrimp bouillons. They work hand in hand, trust me. And they give you good color. Yeah. So, again, thank y'all for joining me at the Rolling Grill. Good food, good vibe. Yeah, boy.